You think say you wise? Where they run go? Where they run? Oh, kneel down. So you think say we never hear something about the program? No be so okay.
Sorry.
When is the date?
29th of August.
Where is the venue?
It's virtual, 5 p.m.
I like better music now.
Just search Oba Ayiki concerts.
Don't let him steal another opportunity to worship the Father in a native way. It is Oba Ayiki 5.0 and it is tagged SOKE. It's going to be virtual, so please join all our virtual platform on the 29th of August at 5 o'clock. If you need more information, please log on to www.ayiki.org. Have a SOKE filled day.
They no go find something for boys now. SOKE!